In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Samsung TV has grayed out settings. So if you're on your settings window and some of these options are grayed out, it could be something like the picture size settings here. You can see that's grayed out on my television. And then if I come across and scroll down, you can see there are some more options here that are also grayed out. Maybe you're trying to reset your TV and this option is grayed out. So there's two different ways that we can fix this. The first is that you just want to grab your television remote control and press on the source button right at the top here. Now this button may be placed somewhere slightly different on your remote control depending on your model. So when you press this button, it's going to bring up your outputs on your television. Now what you want to do here is if you're currently connected to the TV like I am on mine, then you want to switch this over to HDMI. And once it's on HDMI mode, you can try accessing the settings again. And you can see now some of these options have now reappeared. It's no longer grayed out. Now, sometimes just doing this alone can fix the issue. If you're already on HDMI mode, you can try swapping it over to TV instead. Sometimes this also solves the issue. Now, if that hasn't worked, what you'll need to do is press the home button on your remote control. And this is going to pull up the Samsung home screen. From here, you just want to use the arrow keys to come over to settings. Now, we're not going to press on settings. What we're going to do is come over to this top navigation here, and you're looking for a mode called intelligence mode. Now, I don't actually have this on this particular model of television, so I can't show you this, but depending on your model of TV, if you do have something called intelligence mode, just make sure this is turned off. And once you've turned it off, you should then be able to access your settings without anything being grayed out. Another feature is this game mode, which is quite similar to the intelligence mode. If you have this, you also want to make sure this is turned off as well. And that's it, guys. By following all of these steps, that should have now fixed any grayed out settings on your Samsung Smart TV. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.